This video shows how to measure a part with your Renishaw probe on your Haas machine. I've got modeled up here a 1, 2, 3 block, so we've got 3 inches in the x-axis. Let's use our Renishaw on our Haas to see how accurate that 3-inch dimension is. I've created a probing routine and picked the left edge, and I've done the same to probe the right edge. After I probe that first edge, there's a manual NC pass-through line, which is pound 609 equals pound 10185. This is where the magic happens. So anytime we probe a part with our Renishaw, macro variables 185 through 187 are the X, Y, Z position that are temporarily stored as that probe's location. So it doesn't write to the coordinate system or the machine coordinates, it's just a temporary value. And what we want to do is grab that value. So in this case, we're storing the current X location that it measures as temporary value 609. After we probe the right edge, we're doing a similar thing, except we're using another temporary variable or user adjustable variable 610. So 610 equals the same 10185. After that's done, create another new variable, 611, and we say that that is equal to 610 minus 609, and that will tell us what hopefully should be 3 inches on this 1, 2, 3 block. Please note, if you want to switch this up and do it in the y-axis, all you've got to do is reselect the faces. So we'll measure that face first, and we'll measure this face second. But you also will need to change the variables that you're registering, because the first one will need to equal 186 as well as this second one. Finally, we have a comment line that tells the user macro variable 611 should be equal to 3.0 inches. I put that in brackets because obviously your part may be different. If you measure frequently and you want to display that measured value on your Haas screen, go into current commands, timers, and we can assign macro variable 2 to value 189. And if you look in the bottom right of this screen, you'll see under timers and counters, we have the macro label number 2 as measure, and then we are able to display that 3-inch value.